In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat so you can add smart AI-powered conversations to your Wix website. First, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. From there, head to the Wix App Market. This is where Wix lets you add extra features and functionality to your website. Once you're inside the app market, use the search bar at the top and type ChatGPT based conversations. This helps you quickly find apps that connect AI chat features to Wix Chat without manually building anything from scratch. When you see the ChatGPT based conversations app in the results, click on it and then select Add to Site. Wix will guide you through a few simple setup steps. Just follow the on-screen prompts and approve any required permissions so the app can connect properly to your site. After installation is complete, the app will integrate directly with Wix Chat, allowing your visitors to interact with an AI-powered assistant in real time. This means your website can automatically respond to questions, guide users, and improve engagement without constant manual replies. And that's it. You've successfully integrated OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat. Your site is now equipped with intelligent, conversational support that works around the clock. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to explore more Wix integrations.